Transform your small bathroom, large format tile ideas. In this video, I will show you tips and ideas to transform your small bathroom into functional and stylish. Remodeling a small bathroom with big tiles can be a great way to make the space feel larger and more open. Here are some tips to consider. Choose light colors. Opt for light colored tiles such as white, cream, or beige. Light color reflects more light, making the bathroom feel more spacious. Use large format tiles. Large tiles, 24 by 48 inches, create a few grout lines, which can visually expand the space. They also give a more modern and clean look. Go for rectangular shape. Rectangular tiles can visually elongate the space, especially if you lay them vertically on the walls or in a herringbone pattern. Consider glossy finishes. Glossy tiles reflect light and can make the room feel brighter and more expensive compared to matte finishes, which can absorb light and make the space feel smaller. Choose seamless transitions. If possible, extend the same tile from tile floor into the shower walls or vice versa to create a seamless look that visually expands the shower area. Optimize storage. To keep the space clutter-free, incorporate built-in shelves or niches within the shower area rather than protruding the shelves or cabinets. Select complementary fixtures. Choose fixtures and accessories that complement the clean lines and modern aesthetics of large tiles, such as sleek faucets and minimalistic hardware. Large mirror. Installing large mirror above the vanity, this not only adds a touch of elegance but also creates an illusion of a much larger space by reflecting light and opening up the room visually. Large glass shower door. Large glass shower door from floor to 74 inch. This design chose not only looks sleek and modern but also creates a sense of continuity, making the bathroom appear larger. By carefully selecting and strategically placing large tiles in your small bathroom remodel, you can create a stylish and spacious looking bathroom that maximizes both functionality and aesthetic appeal. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, click here and watch the next one.